Good morning students. Today we are starting a new chapter, chapter 2, file management or organization of data. First student, what is files or what is file? File is an item in the computer that is used to store information. Means in file you can store any type of information, whatever you want, music, pictures, drawing, data, whatever you want to store in a file, you can store. Okay. A file may be document, image or video or a music files. Okay. A file is represented by using an icon which makes it easy to recognize. If you will change your icon, if you will put different icon to your file, then you will recognize your file very easily. Means you can store any type of document like image, videos, pictures, music, whatever you want, you can store in a file. For storing all these things, you need a file in your computer system. Folder is a container to keep your files. Means you can keep so many files in one folders. If you want, suppose if you have created a file of music, then a file of images, then a file of pictures, and a file of so many things you have created different, but you can keep these all files in a folders. Mean a folder is a container to keep your files. In a folder we can keep many files. Okay, and every file is stored in a folder or a subfolder, and you can access all your folders by clicking the drive. Okay, which folder, if you will open your folder, you will see so many files are there, and if you open that files, if you want that picture file, then you click on that picture file. If you want music, then click on music files. Means folder is a container to keep your files. You can see in this image, student, this is the image of a folder. A folder looks like this only, or you may change the icon also of your folder also. Now students, how to create a folder or a file? Okay, to create a folder, simply navigate to the desired location. Example, the drive or inside an existing folder, and right click, and this will display a pop-up menu from which you can click. First you have to click right click, then new, then go to your folder. In this way you can create your folder also. And after creating your folder, if you want to rename your folder or your file, you can rename it also, and if you want to delete your file or folder, you can delete it also. Okay, if you want to make copy of your folder, you can make. Now I will show you practically how to create a folder, how to rename a folder or file, and how to delete a folder or file. Let's see. Students, you can see here, this is the computer screen. Here it is start button. This is my computer screen. First, what you have to do, suppose I want to create a folder on the desktop, on the screen here. Then what I will do, first I already told you where you want to create your folder, you can create. So I want to create on the screen, on the desktop. Okay, so first right click on your screen, then you can see this is a pop-up menu. Here a option is there, that option is new. Okay, you have to click in this new option. Okay, and after clicking it, go to the here folder option. Folder is there, you have to click here in the folder. Just I have clicked, you can see here. You can see here a folder is there, a new folder is there. Okay, now you can see here, this is a new folder now I have created. Okay, now I will show you how to rename it. Okay, just now we have created this. Okay, so go to the folder, then again right click, and you can see here this is open. You may open it. Now our folder is empty. You can see here this folder is empty. Okay, now I am going to close it. Then first you have to right click. Okay, I am going to rename it. First you have to right click. Then here one option is there. You can see here rename. Rename option is there. You have to click there in the rename. Click there. Left click. Now students, when you click on the rename, it's came like this. Now new folder. Okay, it's written. You can type from the keyboard. With the help of keyboard you may give the name to your folders. Now I'm going to give the name of the folder class 6. Okay, class 6 file. Okay, students, you can see here now class 6 file. You can see here. Then click on the outside of the folder here. Now you can see this is our folder class 6 file. Okay, now next topic is deleting a folder. First we have created a folder, then we learn how to rename the folder. Now we will learn how to delete a folder. Okay, again you have to suppose students, we have a folder that name of that folder is new folder. Okay, now we have created this folder class 6 file. Okay, then this folder, now I am going to delete this folder. First which folder you want to delete, you can delete. First you have to right click on the folder. You can see a option is there. Which option is there? That delete option is there. You can see here delete. Then click on that button, delete. Then the computer will ask, are you sure want to move this folder to the recycle bin? Students, when you will delete any file or folder, your file or folder, deleted file or folder goes to the recycle bin. Okay, then I click on yes. If I want to delete this file, I will click yes. If I don't want to delete, then I will click on no. Now we are deleting, so we will click in yes. Now students, that folder is deleted. Students, I hope you understood how to create a folder, rename a folder and delete a folder. Now this is your classwork. What is a file? Then what is a folder? Then next question is how you will rename a file or folder. Okay, this work you have to do in your computer notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.